Hey guys, it's Karolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to show you guys what I made. I've been trying to kill this paper pad now. It's called Fall Forest. And I got this one from Tuesday morning, I believe. Yeah, because I see like that price tag there. And I used a little bit of it last year, but I made a bunch more things with it and I used a ton. I could probably still get like another couple of albums out of this, but this was definitely so fun to use up as much as I could, and I will still be working with it to finish it up. But I want to show you guys what I made, because last year I made some gratitude journals with this, and I thought I would continue with this paper pad this year to try and get as many as I can done. So I have some more gratitude journals to share with you guys, and they are so stinking cute, guys. So let me show you guys what I created using this Fall Forest paper pad. If it's available, I'll link it. I don't know if it is. I haven't seen it, but I will take a peek. And whatever you guys need, I will link down below. So definitely check the description box down below. And what I'm about to show you guys is also for sale in my Etsy shop. So check that out if you guys are interested. But let's get started and I'll show you guys what I made so you guys could even see before you purchase, obviously. Alrighty, so I made some gratitude journals. They are so stinking cute. I have a few more here. I made a total of 8 of them and I still have lots of paper, but I do have to warn you guys, I used a ton of glue. And I don't mean just any kind of glue. It's Fabri-Tac, because this is like a water-based or something. I don't really know what kind of glue, but I know this doesn't like make your pages hard. So I used a ton of this glue. Like, I'm almost done with this bottle. I literally have to get more glue. But the way that these work, and so this is what's available and for sale in my Etsy shop. But these are like half-size composition notebooks. Obviously, I have to put the cover together, cut apart and stuff. I had to attach the lace trim with the Fabri-Tac. You got the back cover, but then each one of these also has dividers. So like everywhere you're seeing, I had to use the Fabri-Tac to not make the pages like so hard. And I stuck together a couple of pages of like a couple of these together before I glued down the divider to make it a little bit more sturdier, because on just like one page, like, they're not that sturdy. It's a composition notebook, you know? So on every single divider, I double stuck 2 pages together and then put the divider on top. And also so it could like withstand some cut aparts and some cute little tags. It turned out really cute though, and I made the little tabs and stuff. So you've got plenty of space in here. You could use it as a journal. You could divide it up with the dividers that I have in here. I've got these little button things. These were gifted to me years ago from Jovi Creates. I will have her Instagram link down below as well, but she gifted these to me during one of my birthday challenges one time, because she knows I love fall and I love them so much. So I used them again here. I turned them into paper clips and added a backing to them. But yeah, these turned out so stinking cute, guys. So half-size composition notebooks. If you can't find the half-size, you can cut like regular size ones down, but the half size you could find at Walmart. So they come in a 10 pack. I'm gonna have the link down below for these in case you guys are interested in like making your own. But I do also have these finished ones available and for sale in my Etsy shop. I just love all the little additions, like all these handmade bows I have, the little buttons, the tags peeking out, the lace. Like, there's so much detail on these. I think they're so stinking cute. And they're like the perfect size to fit into your bag. You could take it with you, use it as like your favorite recipes. You could just glue your recipes onto here, like your favorite fall recipes. If you want to use it as a journal to do journaling and add photos, you could do that. You could use it as a gratitude journal, which was my initial thought. You could just journal on each page every day. And these were inspired by a channel or by somebody called named Tiffiny Ulster, I think it was. I'll have her channel linked down below as well. She has a tutorial, but I didn't follow her measurements. I thought they were a little hard to follow because she was like also doing it as she was showing you, so it wasn't like pre-made measurements, and like if your notebook is a little bit off, like your measurements are going to come a little differently. So I made my own measurements, and I just had everything written down as I was going through this, and I tried to pick out like my paper in advance to see if I would like it before I glued everything down. But the gluing part with the Fabri-Tac is what takes the longest, because when you're gluing your pages together, like you need to try and get glue all over this basically so that it does not come apart. So I literally used up most of this bottle of glue. I don't want to like say like most, but like I had a lot of glue in here and it's pretty much gone now. So I did use a ton of glue. So anyway, so that's one of them that I showed you guys. It's just called Count Your Blessings. Here's another one. This one is called Leaves Are Falling, Autumn is Calling, and I made all the covers different to have like a different cut apart from the collection. Luckily there was a ton of cut aparts, so I was able to do that. I used this trim on all of them. I did it last year and I just love how it looked, so I made sure to do it again this year. But this time I also pulled in some embellishments from my stash. These are like those little Target embellishments. I think, what is the brand? Spritz or something. They came in like a little fall thing, so I just embellished a little bit here and then put like gemmies. So this one looks like this. You open this up, it's got this cut apart that says thankful for all the blessings, and obviously you could add more into these little pockets. You've got this first divider here with a bow paper clip. They all have the same paper clips in like the same area. Lots of pages to journal and write on. Then you have the second divider, and they all have some kind of cut apart and a tag in the second divider. So the second divider is a pocket page. More pages to journal and write on. And then the third divider each has one of these like button paper clips. They just say something different. So this one says fall in love with fall. The other one said welcome fall. So they're all a little different. More pages, and then the back cover has another pocket with a cut apart that you could journal on. It's blank white on the back. So yeah, that's what that one looks like. There's this one called Hello Fall. This one has a little like waxy on the front. Those are from like Target from years ago. I don't even know if they're real wax. It's kind of like a fall wax, I think. But it looks super cute. So this is Hello Fall. Got this cut apart. May the blessings of the season fill your heart. A bow here. And the bows are each a little different. I was using what I had made and had in my stash. I don't think I made this one because I don't remember wrapping around the ribbon. I think that one was gifted to me, but I think all the other ones I made. I know I made that pink one. I know I made these gold ones, and I think that one, there's one other one I didn't make, but everything else I did. So there's these pages. There's this one, cut apart and a tag. More pages. And then you have this third divider. This one says, Dear Fall, you are my favorite. So cute. More pages and another cut apart. This says Count Your Blessings here. And all the cut aparts are different so that they don't repeat throughout. So if there's one on the cover, you'll get 3 other different ones inside. I didn't want them to repeat. Then I have this one that says Gather with a Grateful Heart. This little mushroom and like a little rabbit. And that's what this one looks like. And this one has this cut apart, thankful for all the blessings. This bow I did make. This divider. Pages. Happy fall and a tag. I love how like the little ribbon is peeking out. I did that on purpose. So I don't want to cut the tag too small. More pages. This one just says fall for that button. And then more pages, and the back here says so very thankful. So you could turn these into like little cards, or you could journal throughout. You could stick them on here. You could glue it on 3 sides and tuck in some photos in there, like There's things that you could do with those and things that you could do with your photos. You could add other little tags that you could have peeking out through the photos, like whatever you want to do. It's just, if you are gluing photos, I recommend using Fabri-Tac only because it's not going to make your pages like hard to the touch. Like I like to use Barely Art glue for my albums. It makes the pages much sturdier, but here like you do still want to be able to like flip the pages without them feeling super duper hard. Anyway, so this one says life doesn't have to be perfect to be wonderful. It's got a leaf here, and yeah, they're all like the same layout, but just a little different with the cut-aparts and the papers. So there's this bow here. I move that over a little. This divider, pages. This one says give thanks in here. And then you have this deer tag. Then you've got more pages. Then you've got this divider. That one says welcome fall again, just in yellow this time. And then the back says hello fall. And yeah, they're so cute. I made all the dividers like a different like color, but it looks so cute. I love these. There's another one. This one says thankful for all the blessings. We've got a hello fall cut apart there. This divider with my bow. Next divider looks like this. And the last one, this button says dear fall, you're my favorite again, just in white instead of orange like the last one. More pages, and then give thanks cut apart. And the back. Then you've got these. I love like this background paper. This is probably like, I think this one's my favorite just because I really love how that one looks. I also made this one last year with like the same kind of cut apart and the wax seal, like the same design. The other ones are pretty much new, but there's only, you know, 2 sheets of paper and I could only get like 2 out of it. So out of like 1 sheet. But this one says give thanks. You've got a pumpkin embellishment, your lace trim. This one says happy fall. You've got this little handmade bow, divider, pages. This is what that next one looks like. And this one says pumpkin spice everything. Both of these say pumpkin spice everything. And another cut apart that says life doesn't have to be perfect to be beautiful. And then the very last one. So yeah, it has the wax seal. This is the back for that one. And this is, you could see all of this on Etsy, like the flip through. This bow I did not make because I don't wrap the bows with the ribbon. So this one was gifted to me. I do like thread when I wrap mine. There's this. This is what this one looks like with this cut apart, or a tag rather. And pages, pumpkin spice everything, this button, and more, and then hello fall. So yeah, a lot of work went into these. I was making, this took me like a whole day to make, literally, not kidding you guys, to make all 8 of these. It took me a whole entire day. Luckily I had the bows already like in my stash pre-made, but obviously I did make most of those, so those took time. Like this one is ribbon. This one is ribbon, but this one is like a thicker ribbon that I had to like die cut and then glue together. So luckily I had those in my stash. Otherwise that would have taken me even longer. And if I had to buy the buttons, those do get pretty pricey. They're usually about like $2 a button, which obviously adds up. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this. Please check out my Etsy shop in case you guys are interested in purchasing any of these. They are so fun. They are a great gift as well. And they just look so adorable and so cute. So I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much for watching and checking out everything. Check out all the links in the description box down below. And I will see you guys and talk to you guys in my next video. Talk to you soon. Bye.